Hello there, we are from Open Community and welcome to our ChatGPT web app. It lets you chat with PDF documents using smart tech called Reg to give you accurate answers from your PDF, no matter how long they are. What did we use it to build our app? Next.js, React, OpenAI, Vercel, and streaming, Pinecone, AWS EC2, Linux, TypeScript, and Node.js.
Let me a little bit talk about the web app inside, backend and the front-end stuff. We have 4 API endpoints. Create index for creating the instance and the Pinecone database vector store, and the update index that will update the Pinecone vector store database with the PDF contents, and the third query index that gets the index name and the question, and question will be transferred in the vector store and will use the cosine similarity and get the answer. And the first simple chat endpoint to simply chat with a GPT-4o. Let me talk about create index. Okay, firstly, it will list all the indexes from Pinecone database and it checks whether we have the already index. If we don't have, it will create the index with a matrix cosine similarity and return the index name. And the update doc and updating index, it gets the PDF document, and then we will use the recursive character text splitter to split into chunks because PDF can be 10 pages, 20 pages. And then we will use the OpenAI embeddings to embed all the PDF contents using the text embedding 3 large model with a batch size 512. And we will simply make the vector store and update our Pinecone database. And the third query document or query index, we will get the index and the question, and using the OpenAI embeddings, we will transport our question into a vector format, and we will select the top 10 from Pinecone vector store database, and we will use the chat OpenAI to get the natural language answers, and we will return the simple answer. If you don't have a PDF and you want to chat with a smart agent, okay, here you can see the Pinecone database from inside. We have a bunch of vectors and a bunch of scores. Here our AWS EC2, we have deployed the backend using the Ubuntu server and the Linux and Node.js.
So it's time to introduce our team briefly. So first of all, we have Ibrahim. He's our CEO and founder, and he has built a solid foundation for our project. And next, as you can see, there is Dawood. He's our front-end developer, and he is responsible for crafting the user interface. And Shahlo, it's me, and I handle the backend development. Nilufar is our web developer. She connects the dots between front-end and backend. This is our team.